我们现在在海浪滔滔民宿，这里就是一个民宿。我们的主角依琳在哪里？ Hello，Hello， 依琳。Hello。
Too busy， 换衣服。海边有换衣服。哎呦，你紧张到这样。我们就是要去走那些泥啦。红树林。
明天就会去红树林。
他会给你那个
雨鞋的吗？他给你那个雨鞋吗？
我要在这里，我要在这里。
Hello， 依琳。
这个没有。
爸爸叫你 Daddy。Hello，Daddy。Hello
Hello。
哎，为什么学问
What's that？
有什么 everywhere I
Yeah.
forgot.
There got baby. You see the baby? The baby small one. You got three. Got three over there. Can see or not? Near to the boat there. You see?
Hello. Where are you now? Where is this place? What is this place? Oh, how? I see. Can I go in? Say hello. Hello. I can see you from the windows. I want to go in. Ding dong. Oh, I go in from the windows. Ooh. Okay. Knock, knock, knock. Anyone home? Hello. Can I go in? Can I go in? I go in from another side. Knock, knock. Anybody home? Oh, nobody home. Hello. I come in already, you see? Okay. I'm coming. Can Daddy squeeze in? Can you give me some space? Oh yo, Daddy go in already no? Okay, Daddy close the door. So small this place. Isn't this space so small? Yeah, you're in the house.
Yes, it's very raining.
Outside, is it raining? Pretend, I know it's really raining. What's this? Is that a kitchen?
But here's the one hole got raining come in already.
Oh, here got one hole. Raining will come in.
Oh no.
Oh no! Wow! Oh, you see, there's a clock there. What's the time now?
It's 4 years old today.
Okay. Is this a Elaine? Elaine, is this a kitchen? You can cook something? Can you cook?
Nah, it's your fries egg.
Thank you. Okay.
Not go to beach.
I cannot go. Why I cannot go?
Lock the door.
Why you lock the door? Oh my god! Oh my god! Knock knock! Save me! Help me! Save me!
What?
Save me, Elaine! Why? I break the door! Boom! Ouch! Can you save me? Can you save me? Why? Ah. Which chair? This one? This one? Here you go. Oh, too big. The chair cannot go inside. Are you sure you can take it in? Cannot. The chair too big already. You sit outside 啦。你坐外面啦，坐外面。Hello, knock knock, knock knock. Hello. Anybody home? Are you home?
I said, now come in my house.
Okay. Are you Elaine? I'm here, you see?
Daddy, can you go there?
Hello. Thank you. Bye bye, Elaine.
I need to go to beach.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
I need to go to beach.
Okay, bye.
Oh, fishy for me there.
你喜欢 fishy 吗 ？Where is the fishy? Can you point?
Everywhere.
有大鱼跟小鱼是吗？
有嘞，我在看记录有大鱼，还有小鱼，好小鱼。
很
你搞嘢事啊？我哋一路嚟啦，咁夜冷，我哋没有冻到我的呢，从小到大，从大到小。佢係襯睇。
There's so many fish.
Okay, now you have to count 17 for the big one first. Only count
我的就
17.
收进篮子里面。
You count 17.
But this one they got 1, 2, 3.
You count 17 first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
tag you 呢。
Yes。
你要出发前才出来。
拿着你先，拿着。
Hello, Elaine. Say hello.
拿着。后面。
冷冷吗？有冷冷吗？
来，还有这边，每次会晒到痛痛的。看下面。
对，慢点，阿姨。
有成日會晒。
还有这里。
佢可以幫我噴。
来，Elaine. Water. 有刺啊，他讲，小心一点，看住尽量不要踩到。Here, Elaine, follow. ，Hello, Elaine. Say hello to 公公婆婆。Is it fun? Kick. Elaine, you want to watch coral?